Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off smart downloads on YouTube. Now, you may be wondering what is smart download. Smart downloads allows YouTube to really download videos for you automatically. Videos that it thinks that you will be interested in and videos that it thinks that you may want to watch, right? But problem is that there may be videos that you simply don't want to watch and you may want to have full control over the videos that you want to download. So let me show you how you turn it off. But before I show you, just want to mention that in order for you to use Smart Download, it requires you to have YouTube Premium. And so you'll need to register for YouTube Premium. You can easily access YouTube Premium by clicking on any video whatsoever, right? So I'm going to open up this video right here. And once you are about to download that video, you will get a pop-up basically saying that you need to have YouTube Premium in order to download it. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this video. And here you'll find the download button. You'll click on this. And if you have YouTube Premium, you will be able to download it like me. If not, it will give you the pop-up. And it will basically say that you need to have YouTube Premium in order to download it. Right now, let's get back to how do we turn off Smart Download. Now, all you have to do is look on the left side and click on Downloads. On the downloads, you will see all the videos that are currently downloaded, including a section for smart downloads. As you can see, it's currently downloaded videos. Now, what we want to do is to go ahead and click the gear in the upper right. If you have it turned on, you will already see it shows smart downloads. And you can click the settings gear in the upper right. And under here, you will find smart downloads. You click on that to toggle it off. And this is how you can easily turn off smart downloads on YouTube. Very easy and very simple.